Before you can take your practical test, you will need to pass the driving theory test. Once you are ready to take your theory test, you can apply online. You will need your provisional driving license number, an email address to get your booking confirmation, and your debit or credit card. It costs £23 to book a car theory test on the www.gov.uk website. Once you have passed your theory test and have been told by your driving instructor that you are ready to take the practical driving test, then you can book it online. In order to do this, you will need your provisional driving license number and your debit or credit card. On the www.gov.uk website, it will cost you £62 to book a weekday practical driving test and £75 to book a driving test either at the weekend or on a bank holiday. There are a number of different driving license categories, so it is important to make sure that you only drive the vehicles that your license permits you to. If you hold a full valid driving license and want to be able to drive large vehicles, minibuses or buses, then you will need to complete the DL1 application form and the medical report form DLM1. The medical report form should be completed by a doctor. Once you have received the provisional license for the new category, you can take the test and upgrade your driving license. There are certain medical conditions that prevent individuals from being able to drive, for example epilepsy, sudden fits or seizures. You must tell the DVLA about any health condition which may affect your ability to drive. It is important to tell the DVLA if you develop a notifiable medical condition or disability, or your condition or disability has got worse since you obtained your driving license. If you do not inform the DVLA of your medical condition or disability, you may be fined £1,000 and could be prosecuted if you have an accident. Individuals that are told they are unfit to drive by their doctors must surrender their licenses to the DVLA. Before you can take your practical